Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. It's another video. If you like this look, well, soon you'll see how I got this look. Yes, I did a review video and this is the look that I created. I like it, right? I love it. I love it. Still a little neutral, but a little out there, a little dingy, a little okay, let me stop. Anyways, you know from the title above, I finally got my Boxycharm. Yes, I finally got my Boxycharm. I'm excited. Are you excited? Did you see those choices? Did you choose? Let me know down below in the description box. Well, not description box, in the comment section. But, you know, never forget to check that description box at the end of the video or before the video, because I do link whatever's in my box and I put the prices, I put where you can get it from, I make it simple, easy, put all my information down below. So if you want to chat with your girl, chat with your girl. Mostly I'm on Instagram and Snapchat. I do check my emails. I do email other people, so email, Snapchat, Instagram, also TikTok. Follow me on that down below in the description box. But let's open this up. Okay, I saw two products that make me think that I got the variation that everyone basically got if they chose the item that I chose. So yeah, I'm not mad about that. I'm actually happy, but I am mad that I'm basic. My box is basic. I got variation 21030013. That's 3, 6, 9, 10. I got variation 10, BA equals base. I don't know why they just don't say variation 10. But yeah. Oh, actually, C21 is 2021. So I got 3, 6, 7. I got variation 7. Yeah, so it says follow Boxycharm and tag hashtag BoxyLucky for a chance to be featured. Ooh, hashtag BoxyLucky. Anyways, this is a theme. Lucky. Cool. I mean, look at our Irish. St. Patty's Day is like right around the corner. So, yay, I guess. I don't know. I don't celebrate St. Patty's Day. I mean, it wasn't even something to celebrate in school. Like, if that fall during school, I still had to go to school. So yeah. Anyways, the first thing that I see, and I'm going to be using right away because my brushes are dirty. I think everybody that got this said the exact same thing. Like, I've been using dish soap, everything else, but I needed a tin. All my other tins, they were dirty and like all the makeup couldn't get off, so it made the brush even dirtier. So I retired those tins and I've just been using my sink, cleaning my sink extra hard afterwards. But another tin, another soap. This is the Lavish wet brush cleaning system. It has a little scrubber in here and a bar of soap. I know because I've seen some unboxings. That's why I said my thing is basic. Woo. My thing is basic, but you know, it is what it is. What does it say about this right here? Lavish wet brush cleaning system, $15. I can actually repurchase this. Okay, that's good. A convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. So true. I like this. I like this a lot. And I just dropped my card. That's how true it is. Ooh, I got the Kab Beauty, the lip oil. Oh my gosh, which one did I get? I got blue raspberry. Oh my gosh, my thing is actually basic. Like, it's actually basic. I got the blue one. A lot of people got the blue one. Let me see how it smells. Oh, it smells like candy. It reminds me of childhood. Like, I ate something like this. It smells like candy. It smells, I can't do the scent. it says it has a tint. I don't see a tint. I don't see a tint. I guess not on my lips. I guess if it was pink lips, it would be a tint, but my lips are dark. I wear a lot of dark lipsticks. That's not the reason why my lips are dark. My lips are just naturally dark. Always been, even when I was a kid, they were like, why are your lips so dark? Because my lips are so dark. I mean, I used to wear pink lip gloss just to make my lips look like the other kids. Like, that's how it was. Oh, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells so good. It smells yummy. I can't put my finger on it, but it smells like something I ate before. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel sticky. I like that. Of course, I can't put on my lips because I have a dark lip on. And that right there retails for $20. Kab Cosmetics, hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will soon love the non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints, but I got the blue one like everyone else. Okay, swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. Cool. I would not repurchase it because it's $20, but cool. I can't wait to fully try this out. You guys know I do first impressions Fridays, and you guys know that I do reviews, so it's gonna come up in my review or my first impressions Friday. The next thing is Venus 3. I finally got a lime crime palette. I mean, I tested it out before COVID in stores, and that's when I bought the what was that? It was the knockoff brand. The app closed down, but it was one of those. It was the app closed down. That's all I know. The app closed down. I had it for a very long time. I think it was the first one, the regular Venus, and I never got it because they're so expensive for a little palette. But it has a mirror. There, it has a mirror, and then these are the shades. Wow. This is really beautiful, and I own this. Thank you, Boxy. I never really played with their formula, so I can't wait to play with their formula. Also, it looks, I mean, it's really bulky. That's also the reason why I didn't buy it, because the one that I had that was a copy of it, I didn't know that at the time when I bought it, but it was a copy of it, and I didn't use it that much because it was so bulky. I didn't reach for it. I realized that I like the bulky stuff. I like, you know, stuff that looks like books and stuff. I think it's cool, and I pick it up, and like, oh, it's a great formula. But do I use it more than the other palettes? No. Even if the formula is better? No. Do I reach for it? No. Do I forget about it? Yeah, I do sometimes. So, again, I'll try this out, but I don't know why that happens. It's just, I don't reach for bulky stuff, but I'm glad I got it. It was between the palette selections was this and the 2 Viseart ones, but I guess because I had premium in the past, I don't have premium anymore. I know they're doing the 2 things, and they have the NARS blush, but the thing is that I would have to buy this one, and this one doesn't look good for me. I don't like majority of the stuff. The only thing I liked was the Too Faced stuff, and I have both of them. Don't need to back up. So I guess I'm just gonna miss out on next month's premium. I mean, I hope that I could pick up the stuff in add-ons or pop-up, especially the NARS blushes, because I always want NARS blushes. That's the only thing that kind of like excites me, especially because the Natasha Denona concealer, I already have like 2 of them. Like, I bought it last time, and I bought it on Sephora's sale. Like, don't need another one. Anyways, the next product is, well, first of all, let me tell you how much that retails for. Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, $38. Again, expensive for that type of palette. Like, for for how many shades is it? 6 shades. I don't feel like opening it again. I feel like it's 6 shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be 8 shades. I don't know. But like, I would not pay $38 for something like this. I would pay like 28 or 25 or maybe even 30. That's stretching it. And I usually like stuff with sales. So because of that, I never really got it. Especially I didn't know the formula. Like I didn't test anything out from them. And also I had the one that I wanted, and I had the original one, the copy of it. So why buy the real one, right? That was in my head. It says this palette is filled with Rapture Lilac, Rose Gold, Mauve, and Earthy Brown shades. The Ultra Beauty Buttery formula sweeps and richly pigmented colors that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Okay. Hashtag Lime Crime Lucky. The next thing is the thing that I picked up because it was between this and something that I do not like. I mean, I don't like the smell of bananas. I'm actually allergic to bananas. And guess that did not intrigue me. So I was like, yo, I like this mascara. I could get it back up. I already have 2 of them. 2 little ones. So I never had the full size. So I was like, you know what? Let me get that. So I got it. It's actually a really good mascara. And when it says damn girl, yeah, it makes your lashes thick. Thick, honey. If you have like frail little lashes, thick, honey. Okay, thick. This is $26. Oh, really? I thought it was 25. Why did I think this was 25? Was it 25 and then it turned to 26? You know, price has been going up since COVID. You know, I'm just saying. This creamy mousse formula was delivered with a special blend of whip melting waxes that deliver a immediate full load of extreme volume with a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking for 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. Okay, it is flake-resistant. It does lift and it does full. I don't know about lengthening because it doesn't lengthen my lashes. And 24 hours of smudge-proof. I never tested that theory. Maybe I will. But okay. I just know it's a good mascara. Like, it's a damn good mascara. Like I said, damn girl is damn good. But I didn't know about that. All right. The last product is what makes my box the basic of the basic. Because it's the actual box that they have on the thing. It's the actual box that has been circling around to all these influencers. My paid for box is actually the PR box. I got the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray, and this has rose. So we're gonna test it out right now to see if it's so smelling of rose, because you know I do not like rose, and I do not. Rose sometimes breaks me out. It's just that rose sometimes breaks me out. It's like the stuff that I don't like the smell of is the stuff that breaks me out. Because I'm allergic to banana, and sometimes I can't put bananas like close to my face, like anything that has banana to my face, because it breaks me out. Breaks like right here. Rose, it broke me out like right here. Okay, anyways, this is actually Fashion Nova's line. Fashion Nova, my jacket's Fashion Nova. I rock Fashion Nova. This is Fashion Nova's beauty line. Fashion Nova has a beauty line. This is Maven Beauty, and it's a new release. This is the Rose Water Setting Spray, and it's in Boxycharm. I'm down for that. I mean, I would have liked their Prep and Prime one, the one that's not smelling like rose, but you know, hey, it is what it is. This is $22. Set your intentions of your makeup with an ultra lifting, antioxidants packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look. Lock it down. Prevent smudging up to 16 hours. Oh, that's cool. Up to 16 hours. Okay, it has like a little rose scent. Let's see if it goes away after rubbing it in. Because, you know, when you pat the brush or you pat your sponge over so it could, like, lock in. Okay, it goes away. It goes away. It goes away. Okay. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. I can't wait to try this out. So, overall, I got the Maven Beauty spray. I'll put it back in the box. I really like this box, too. Goes with the spray. It's really cute. Did you see the box? It's really, really cute. And then this is like a raised. Ooh, really cute. I got the Maven Beauty spray, which is $22. Putting it back in the box. I got the Lavish Wet Set Brush Set Cleaning System. I got the Kab Cosmetics Lip Oil. Damn girl! Mascara. I had to do it. I don't know why, but I had to. I had to do it. It was like calling me. And I got the Venus 3 Lime Crime Palette. That's a good box. I'm not disappointed with that box. I got every single product that I wanted. I'm not mad. I mean, I kind of wish I had the Malibu one, but I probably could get that an add-on, so who knows? I counted it 4 times and the box was supposed to be over $125. My box says $121. I mean, I do pay $25 for this box, so I'm not mad at $25 plus tax, but you know, this is $121 worth of product. I'm not mad about the products because I saw the other products. I'm not mad about the products. Just wish that, you know, this is the first box that's like under the amount for me. And I don't know how I should feel. Anyways, comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Video right here, video right here, head right here. I don't know how to feel. I'm happy with everything I got because I got everything I wanted. But I'm not happy that it's under the value that it's supposed to be. That's all I can say. That's literally all I could say. Everything will be linked down below. Even if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, because the premium looking nice. Next month premium is looking nice. They got NARS, they got Natasha Nona. I don't know what the other thing is, but they got that. Okay, it's looking really nice. I mean, I do have the cranberry palette already from Natasha Nona, so I don't need that. I just got it from pop-up. If you didn't see that, it will be linked above in the cards. So it's like I got a lot of stuff already from Boxy. I'll be good. I mean, if I could get the NARS and add-ons and pop-up, I'll be set. I'm not gonna go into pop-up. I'm gonna do that in a different video regarding my Fenty foundation, but you know, it is what it is. Video, head, deuces. Okay.